All right, let's have some fun here. What do we got? Over at Antique Toys, we have part of our find here, part of our find there. We have a bin full of 100,000 soldiers that you never knew you needed. What do we have in this bin? Military Bachmann. That set's really kind of neat. Okay. That's cool. Miniature soldiers here, which again is something you did not know you needed. I think this is part of it too. Oh, yeah, handmade soldiers. Mint boxed micro machines. That ain't too shabby. That's kind of the hot topic. California Highway Patrol. Ford Apache. Tim Toy. Battle of Bighorn. Iwo Jima, D-Day, 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 Sand Hill, D-Day, Desert Storm, the American Revolution. What do we got here? American Revolution, American Revolution. Got some Bachmann trains, soldiers, and a lot of loose soldiers. More soldiers, wagons, soldiers. Good looking soldiers here. And let me guess, what do we have behind door number 3? Soldier sets. And more vintage. So, there. And then additional soldiers. So, anyways, not too bad for work yesterday. All right, let's look at this next box. Whoa, not too shabby. I got a little nostalgia for this guy. Emergency Hospital. Looks like it was a KB toy. Ah, that's great. Post 82 with the barcode. And then what's hiding over here? Ah, Battle Fortress, Micro Machine, mint box. Sweet. And then Battle Truck. And something I just don't know. Anastasia. Shell. Anastasia. Oh, the movie. Let's have some fun here. What do we got? Highways and byways. Not too shabby. Gas stations. Cool, unusual. Highways and byways. Highways and byways. A little bit of highways and byways bridge. Nice. We have Corner Police, City Plaza, because this is Florida, it's a little bit sticky back here. There we go. And then Goodyear Auto. All right, let's go for the big money. What are these two? These are City Motors, very cool, and Street Corners, very cool.